testing my skills to see if I am as good as Subway. I know I'm better than Subway. Stay tuned for the submarine grinder sandwich that I did specifically for my channel. Stay tuned for the video. Welcome again. What are you waiting on? I'm giving you a second to subscribe. Please hit that notification bell. Please give your girl a like. Thank you. Today I'll be doing a submarine or a grinder sandwich with turkey and chicken and a little turkey bacon. Here are all the ingredients that I will be using. You can also follow on the screen to see all the ingredients that I listed on the screen that I will be using. This is my first time trying this sandwich, but you girl got this. I really wanted to do this for my channel, so I am prepping this as dinner. You can do the same too, and maybe I could do a live video and you all could purchase your ingredients and we could all do this together. This was quick and easy once your oven is already preheated. Here I am chopping my lettuce, and I chop it as small as I can. And I added some purple onions and some grape tomato to it. I cut my bread, and it's Italian bread, in half. And I added cheese on it, and then I'll add it in my oven to melt the cheese for like 5 minutes. We all know when we go to Subway or to the pizza shop and we order a grinder sandwich, it's a quick sandwich. So I'm adding the cheese to the Italian bread, and you can load your bread with much more cheese. I wanted less cheese and less meat on mine because I should not be eating meat, but I really wanted to try a tiny bit of this sandwich. Here I'm about to make my sauce. I added a little red wine, vinegar, a little mayonnaise, a little ranch dressing. I added a little submarine sauce. I added a hint of white cane vinegar, some pepper flakes. I used some garlic powder. I used some lemon pepper. I used some onion powder also. You can choose to add salt if you want. I did not add any salt. I combine everything together. There is the sauce ready to add to my onion, my lettuce, and my tomato. Once I add this, I just mix everything in because I'll be adding this in my sandwich. I remove my bread from the oven, and I will now be ready to add the turkey, the chicken, and the turkey bacon to my sandwich. I did not use all the meat because I did not want a lot of meat in it. But mark you can add as much layer of meat that you want in your sandwich. And I definitely think I really want to do a live, and we can all do this together. If persons drop in the comment section if they would like me to do a live and to do this sandwich, and you all could purchase your ingredients and we could all work on this. This is a 15, 20, maybe 30 minutes, the longest. So drop some comments and I can get to know you all and we can work on one of this sandwich. Once I added all the meat, I added the sauce that I made with the lettuce, the onions, and the tomato. Once this is covered with the sauce, then I will need to add this back to the oven to bake for another 5 to 8 minutes, or to heat for another 5 to 8 minutes. Lastly, I combined and I brushed a little garlic butter on this, then I added to the oven. Once I sprinkled the celery, I added back to the oven, and there is the finished submarine or finished grinder sandwich, all golden, looking juicy, ready to eat. I am so ready to dive into a little tiny piece of this sandwich. Guys, please remember to drop in the comment section if you are interested in doing a live where we can prepare one of this sandwich, which should not take long. Once I list the ingredients, you would just need to purchase them, and we could all do this on live. Please drop in the comment section and let me know. There is my sandwich. I cut this so you can see it, and remember, you can always add additional meat to it. I just wanted a tiny amount of mine, but you can add yours with more meat. Remember now, home cooked meals are important, they are essential, they are also economical, and at least you know what you're putting inside of your stomach. It's cleaner, it's healthier, and it's cheaper. Ready to eat. Thank you for tuning in. Please remember to give your girl a like, drop your comment, share, and thank you again for your support. Stay tuned and see you soon in another video. Remember now, this can also be used as a quick dinner recipe, lunch, brunch, or whatever you choose. Stay tuned.